Where lies the fundamental difference between macrocosm and microcosm? It has been said that तयोर्विरोधोऽयम् उपाधि कल्पितो न वास्तव कश्चिदुपाधिरेष ईशाद्य माया महदादिकरणम् जीवस्य कार्यं सिनु पंचकोशम्. The fundamental difference lies in certain attributional aspects. That is, the difference is attributional. And these attributional adjectives are not of permanent nature. They are of transitory nature. That is, today they may exist, tomorrow they may not exist. ईशाद्य माया महदादि कारणम वादि न वास्तव कश्चिद उपाधिरेष. These attributional differences are of temporary nature. Today they are, tomorrow they may or may not exist. This is the idea. Pashabandha bhave jiva, pashamukta bhave shiva. When they are under the fetters of pasha, they are jiva, microcosm. And when those fetters cease to exist, they are Shiva, one with the Shiva. Ishadya Maya Mahadadi Karanam. And due to the influence, due to the binding effect of operative principle on the macros, what does happen? We get this twin mental universe. We get this physical world, metaphysical world, and macrocosmic manifestations. And jivasya karyam sinupanchakosham. And the jiva's microcosm, that is attributional micros, it builds its panchakosatmak body. That is this physical, small physical structure, the small corporal structure, its crude mind, kamamaya kosha, manamaya kosha, atimanas kosha, and so many koshas. So this small body, along with its small minds of so many stages, are the creation of the reactive momenta of microcosm, or of microcosmic creation. This is the difference. That is, one is attributionally macros and the another is attributionally micros. This is the fundamental difference. His world is a big one, we call it universe, and your world is this little quinquil mental physical body, and this body has been created according to your reactive movement, according to your past desires. You wanted to run like a deer, you will get the body of a deer. Now, this is the silver line of differentiation between macros and micros. What to do? एताव उपाधि परजीवस्तयो सम्मग्निरासेन परो न जीव राज्यम नरेन्द्रस्य भटस्य केटकस्तयोरापोहेन भटो न राजा. Now if the attributional macros is taken away from Paramapurusha, that is from Shiva, And if this attributional micros is taken away from the jiva, then there will be no difference. Jiva will become Siva, Siva will become Jiva, no difference. See, here it has been said, Etab upadhi paradivastaya. Now these attributional differences between Para, Para means Paramapurusha, and Jiva. What does happen? Samyak nirasena parona jiva. If these attributional differences are taken away, there will remain there will be neither para nor jiva, neither paramapurusha nor small jivatma. They will become one. Kaisa? Rajyam narandasya bhattasya khetakastayurapahena bhattona raja. If there is a man and a kingdom is attached to him, kingdom is something attributional, is attached to him, then we will say that man X. We will say that man X is a king, because that attribution of kingdom has been attached to him, he is a king. And another man, he has got two big clubs in his hand, and because of his being owner of club, we will say athletic, wrestler. He will be known as a wrestler because of that attribution of that club. But if we take away that attribution of kingdom from Mr. X, or that attribution of club from Mr. Y, then Mr. X will become Y. Similarly, Para will become something non-attributional, Jiva also will become something non-attributional, and they will become Paramashiva. Both will become Paramashiva. What is your spiritual practice? Just to wipe out these attributional bondages. This is the sadhana, this is the spiritual practice.